Hi, this is Manohar from Sweden Vite. I'm going to show you how to change the network management card for APC UPS. The first thing you need is that you need one screwdriver. The screwdriver top should be like this, and you need to. And this is the UPS, and the network management card for this UPS will be installed on the back. You can see if it has any network management card or not. You can check that from here. You go to OK and go to configuration, and you can see here the communication option. So if you select this, you can see here smart slot. So this is the proof that you have the network management card installed into your UPS system. Here we have said static IP. So to know the IP address, you can just press the down arrow. Here you can see all the IP information for this network management card. Now I am going to show you how to remove and install the new network management card. To do that, we have to go on the back of the UPS. Here you can see a network cable is connected to the network management card. This is the network management card. The network management card is folded with two screws here. So to remove this, we need to first unplug the cable. If this is live network, then you can do the ping command test. So it will check either this is reachable or not. So to make sure which UPS network management card you are going to replace, first remove the cable, then do a quick ping test. If it get timeout or something like that, then this is the network management card. Here I remove the network cable from here. Now I am going to remove the network management card. First I will unscrew this. Okay, I pick it up again. Now I have removed the one screw. Now I am going to remove the other one. I have put the screw here. You can see. Now just to remove this, we need to it's easy to pull just like that, or you can insert the network management card. Sorry, you can insert your network jack and just pull that. And now remove your network cable. Now just that's it. I am replacing this there. Now I am bringing the new network management card. This is the new network management card. So I am going to install. You have to insert it like this. You can read that easily. So here you can see the hole is small. It's sometimes it's look like it doesn't fit well, but you have to insert this card in the very bottom of the slot. So to do that, I am going to put this here like this, and now you can see here it's going in. Now you just need to put your screw back. So I am going to by holding phone, I cannot do that. So this is only this much we have to do. So now we have to screw it back. So I am having a little problem because I am also holding my phone, and just screw it. Okay, you can just screw and just put the network cable. Just insert the network cable here. Now you can see the blinking light. Now it's working properly. Now you can see again if that is working or not. You can go back to here. Go to OK, configurations and communications. Yeah, you can see here it's already installed. So you can see here it's working. Thank you for watching.